Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Thursday the 18th of July and we are now back to full service, having taken all of last week off from these financial markets. So we're looking now to identify some high probability trades once more. Okay, if we could start as we always do with our risk warning, please of course take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with our risk warning currently up on the screen. And let's get in and discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. So for this, I would bring up our trading platform, and the trades we've identified really revolve around the British pound. I'm sure you're probably very aware of the negative sentiment around the British pound. And because of that and kind of the fundamental backdrop and the ongoing leadership contest between Boris Johnson and Jeremy Hunt, all of that is very, very negative and is having, as you can see, a really negative impact on the British pound. And we're just looking for continued opportunities to the downside for the pound dollar. And what we've seen 2 days ago was a break below the 24.34, which is our monthly low. And we expect prices to remain below that level. And as long as that's the case, then our bias to the downside still remains for looking for opportunities actually below the 123.81 level. So that is our trigger to the downside for the pound, the dollar. The same situation for the pound yen. We do like this market, but below the 133.97 level, so just below the 134 yen level to the downside is our green light to look to capitalize on these opportunities to the downside for the pound. And the other market is, just broadly speaking, the US indices markets. We've just come off these all-time highs. I'll show you here the level that we're looking at. I'll just move this level up here. This is our all-time high up in here at the 3020 level, and we're now back below the 3000 level, which is an important psychological level, and we're currently looking for opportunities for continuation to the downside below the 2977 level. So we're anticipating these prices to continue lower for the S&P. Plus we're now getting earnings through, and they're probably missing expectations, and there's a couple of sort of interesting kind of developments there on that side. So as a result, it's having an impact on the indexes, and we're seeing these markets just come off a little bit. We are in a bull trend, and these are pushing higher aggressively, but we've just capitalized on a little bit of a rollover trade to the downside. So that is our US 500 or S&P 500 trade. I'm certainly looking for continuation below the 2977. So that just about concludes then today's Daily Trade Watch video. So feel free to connect with us through the social media channels currently up on screen. And of course, if you are genuinely interested in learning how to trade these financial markets and learning about the nuances of how these markets move, what drives them, how to interact with them and engage with these markets, then we've got a variety of membership options available for you. Just go to our website, thelivetraderoom.com, and we will, you can join our professional traders live every evening as we trade these markets with live capital. And for as little as $19.99 US per calendar month. So hopefully you'll find it very rewarding in that respect. So that's all there for you through our website. So feel free to go to our website for that. And thank you very much for joining us as always. And we look forward to seeing you all next time. So from everyone here, take care. Speak soon. Bye for now.